Welcome to Spacecraft Guide, the channel that goes over the most iconic spacecraft in the world. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to work on the International Space Station. As you can see, I've put some hotspots in here, and the one that we are going to work on today is up here, right up here. We zoom in, and it is the caution and warning panel. So when you click on it, it takes us to the caution and warning panel on the International Space Station. And you can see that the caution and warning panel consists of 5 push button lights, one for each of the emergencies, one for warning, and one for caution. And then there is a test button to ensure that the lights are still functioning. The emergency and warning buttons are red. The caution button is yellow. So that is the panel. As you can see, again, these are hyperlinked to the caution and warning panel in the paperwork or in the manual. And then we have the non-normals, which actually takes us to the emergency procedures for all expedition flights. So with this one, for emergency procedures, we have smoke and fire in node 1, and we'll be adding to that. But for smoke and fire, you click on that, and it'll take you to the smoke and fire in node 1, which we are in. And said node 1 action, notify the shuttle. That's how old this is. Fire in node 1. And then as you do it, you can check off that you've done it. And then quick don masks, knock that off. And if you didn't put your mask on, you can also take the check off. So that is the procedures for non-normal. Then we have the normal procedures, which are right in here. And then also we have the schematics. So here we can see in the schematics that we are looking at all of the legend for the caution and warning panel. We happen to be in node 1 here. We're actually here, and this is the let's see, PCS ports for caution and warning use. So we can see in the airlock, it's right here. There should be one right here, but yeah, so we have schematics, and then finally, as usual, limitations. So this is what we're going to be going into now. Also, along with the Apollo, as I finish up the Apollo spacecraft, we're going to be going back into the Apollo and finish that up. But then we're going to start working on the International Space Station. That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page, and the link will be down below.